Hey there, folks! Welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the most honest and comprehensive reviews of the latest products on the market. In today's video, we're diving into the world of oscillating tools, and I'll be sharing my top 5 picks for 2023. If you want to stay updated on the best tools out there, don't forget to check the links in the description below. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting review. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, the Basic Oscillating Multifunction Tool is a cordless and efficient tool designed for woodworking and various DIY projects. With its compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, this tool offers convenience for users who already own Makita tools. Powered by an 1820V battery, not included, this tool provides cordless freedom and flexibility during use. The oscillation frequency ranges from 6,000 to 20,000 pm, delivering efficient cutting, trimming, and shaping on different materials. Featuring a 4 degrees oscillating angle and 6 vibration levels, the Basic Oscillating Multifunction Tool ensures precise and controlled operation. Its accessory interface enables quick installation in just 3 seconds, minimizing downtime during tasks. With a maximum output power of 600 W, this tool offers reliable performance for a variety of woodworking applications. The ergonomic design and vibration control contribute to comfortable and fatigue-free use. The Basic Oscillating Multifunction Tool weighs, providing a balanced grip for extended periods of work. Whether you need to cut, trim, or use it as a shovel or cutting machine, this tool is suitable for a range of woodworking tasks. In conclusion, the Basic Oscillating Multifunction Tool is a versatile and efficient option for DIY enthusiasts and woodworking enthusiasts. With its cordless design, adjustable vibration levels, and quick installation interface, this tool offers convenience and performance for various projects. At number 4, the Fox Electric Multifunction Oscillating Tool is a powerful and efficient tool designed for home decoration and renovation tasks. With its 500 W power, this tool can tackle a wide range of cutting, grinding, polishing, and shaping projects. Featuring a variable speed adjustment with 6 speed options, the Fox Oscillating Tool provides precise control and customization according to the task at hand. The quick change saw blades enable swift and hassle-free accessory changes, enhancing productivity during work. With an oscillation frequency of 50 Hz and a 5 degrees degree of oscillation, this tool delivers efficient and accurate results on various materials. Its multifunction capability allows for sawing, cutting, grinding, polishing, shovel, tumble, and grind applications. The Fox Oscillating Tool weighs 1 kilogram, providing a balanced and comfortable grip during use. Its scope of application covers a wide range of woodworking tasks, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. While batteries are not required, the tool operates on a 50 AC power source, ensuring compatibility with standard outlets. The durable construction and reliability of this tool make it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Overall, the Fox Electric Multifunction Oscillating Tool is a robust and versatile option for those seeking a powerful tool for their home decoration and woodworking needs. With its variable speed adjustment, quick installation system, and multifunction capabilities, this tool offers convenience and performance. At number 3, the Nuon Oscillating Multifunction Tool is a high-quality and versatile tool designed for a range of applications. With its compatibility for Makita 18V batteries, this tool offers convenience for users who already own Makita tools. The tool features a 775 brushed motor and a no-load speed of 21,000 RPM, ensuring powerful and efficient performance. The forward/reverse switch and security lock enhance control and safety during operation. Equipped with a drill attachment, the Nuon Oscillating Multifunction Tool expands its functionality to include drilling tasks. The 13mm chuck size, 19+1 clutch settings, and 40 Nm torque provide versatility and precision for drilling applications. The tool's patent design and power display add to its appeal, while the included accessories, drill twist bits, drill bits, and bit extension hold, further enhance its usability. The Nuon Oscillating Multifunction tool is built to withstand demanding tasks, and its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use over extended periods. Whether you need to cut, reciprocate, or use the circular saw, this tool delivers reliable performance. In summary, the Nuon Oscillating Multifunction tool is a comprehensive toolkit suitable for those looking for a versatile and durable option. With its compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, powerful motor, and drill attachment, this tool provides value and functionality for various applications. At number 2, the Yofidra Oscillating Multifunction tool is a reliable and versatile tool designed for home DIY projects. Powered by an 18V battery, batteries not included, this tool offers cordless convenience and freedom of movement. Equipped with a brushless motor, the Yofidra Oscillating Multifunction tool delivers efficient and powerful performance. The oscillation frequency ranges from 8,500 to 24,000 pm, ensuring precise cutting, trimming, polishing, and more. With its 4 degrees oscillating angle, this tool allows for smooth and controlled operation, providing accurate results on various materials. The 3-second quick installation interface enables easy and swift accessory changes, enhancing productivity during tasks. The Yofidra Oscillating Multifunction tool offers 6 vibration levels, allowing users to adjust the tool's intensity based on their specific needs. The tool's cutting, trimming, polishing, punching, and nail shoveling functions make it suitable for a wide range of applications. The tool's durable construction and ergonomic design ensure comfort and longevity. Its compatibility with Makita 18V batteries adds convenience for those who already own tools from the Makita lineup. In conclusion, the Yofidra Oscillating Multifunction tool is a reliable and versatile choice for DIY enthusiasts and woodworking enthusiasts. With its brushless motor, adjustable vibration levels, and quick installation interface, this tool provides efficiency and convenience for a variety of tasks. At number 1, the Nuon MT350C oscillating tool is a versatile and powerful tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts. With its 300-watt, 350-watt, 500-watt power options, this tool offers flexibility to tackle a wide range of tasks, from trimming to renovation projects. The tool features a 3-degree oscillation speed ranging from 15,000 to 22,000 OPM, providing efficient and precise cutting, sanding, and scraping. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or other materials, the Nuon MT350C can handle the job with ease. While batteries are not included, the tool operates on a rated voltage of 120 to 130 V, making it compatible with standard power outlets. The adjustable handle enhances comfort and control during use, reducing fatigue and allowing for extended periods of work. The Nuon MT350C oscillating tool is built to deliver durability and quality performance. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use, while the no-load speed and frequency of 50 Hz, 60 Hz contribute to efficient operation. Overall, the Nuon MT350C oscillating tool is a reliable choice for DIY enthusiasts seeking a versatile and powerful tool for home improvement projects. With its multiple power options and efficient performance, this tool offers value and functionality for a wide range of tasks.